Hello, welcome back. So far we have steamed the asparagus and also steamed the other vegetables in the brown rice and asparagus salad. And I put the dressing in a saucepan and I just warmed it up. Let me get those steamed vegetables. Here they are. All right, so we have asparagus that's been steamed. Again, put it in your steamer pot, maybe about 3 or 4 minutes. Put a fork through it, it's fork tender. We have some delicious carrots cut up. So I diced the carrots, potassium, calcium, beautiful orange color, and natural sweetness. I have some peas and some corn, peas and corn, all lightly steamed. So peas, excellent source of protein, gives a little burst of flavor in your salads. Corn is the signature whole grain of summertime. So it's full of fiber, vitamins, nutrients, and vitamin A. You find that in corn. So all our vegetables are steamed. Now we need brown rice. And so I know you cook up brown rice ahead of time and you have it in your fridge, right? All the time. Now, if you want to know how to cook brown rice, please watch my video, How to Cook Brown Rice, and then I'll explain it to you. Brown rice, full of antioxidants to help fight off disease. Vitamin E, strong antioxidant. IP6 helps fight off disease. All these things you find in brown rice, besides the fact that brown rice is exceptionally high in fiber, which helps flush toxins out of your system. Also, because it's a complex carbohydrate, it helps stabilize your blood sugar level. In fact, you digest it very, very slowly, and it releases glucose very slowly into your system. This is very important because it gives you a slow, steady supply of energy to last throughout the day. Also, your brain is a big glucose monster. It feeds on glucose. So your brain is very, very happy when you get fed a slow, steady supply of glucose. That's what brown rice does for you. So in this particular recipe, you want 4 cups of cooked brown rice. I used a short grain brown rice because I like the short grain. I think it's chewier, I think it's sweeter, but by all means, if you wanted to use a long grain or a medium grain, that's fine too. I used short grain brown rice. And I cooked up a big pot of brown rice. And so actually this is twice as much than we need. So I've got a 4-cup measure cup. And I'll just make sure that we get 4 cups of brown rice. And the leftover brown rice, of course, I will put that in a stir fry, or I will put that in a soup, or I will put that in a casserole, or I could mix it with some sauteed tofu. That would be delicious, right? Sauteed tofu, yum. All right, so we got 4 cups of this delicious cooked brown rice. Now we need a big bowl to mix our salad together. There we go. Nice big mixing bowl. We put the 4 cups of brown rice in there. We put all the beautiful vegetables, including the asparagus, signature springtime vegetable asparagus. And I'm going to put in the salad my personal favorite spice, basil. We're going to put 1.5 teaspoons of basil in here. Basil has a nice, to me, basil is summertime. It's just the flavor of summer. I love it. It has a refreshing, earthy flavor, 1.5 teaspoons. There we go. And did you know that basil is a natural mosquito repellent? So if you want mosquitoes to stay away from you, eat food that has basil in it. Works every time. All right, here's the dressing. And again, like I said, I just put it on the stove and just warmed it up. So that helped to combine the flavors so that they're all well combined. And it mixes really well in the salad if you heated up the ingredients ahead of time, all right? Let me see how close I can get to the salad so you can see it as I mix it. So this salad is absolutely colorful, which is important for springtime. Spring is the most colorful season. We have all of the buds coming out, and we have all the beautiful flowers coming out. So springtime is when we cook with color as much as possible. I still want to get you closer to this bowl so you can see. There you go. We have the sweet flavor of the brown rice. We have this sweet flavor of the corn. And then we also have the sweet carrots. And the underlying flavor of the earthy, bitter asparagus just tops off this salad. All right. And then we have the dressing, which is the ume vinegar, which is salty pungent, the brown rice vinegar, salty sour pungent, and a little bit of tamari for the salt. Trust me, this is a salad that you want to make. And did you see how easy it was? You know, you got the cooked brown rice, and then all you have to do is steam the vegetables, mix it together. Now, you can have this right now at room temperature. You can put it in the fridge, and you can have it cold, you know, the next day. You can even warm this up and eat it warm. So it's a fantastic salad. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe today for the brown rice asparagus salad. I am Chef Val, and I'm the author of 5 cookbooks, and you can find all the information you need about me and all the services that I offer on my website, macroval.com. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's make that small step my brown rice asparagus salad.